Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Monday, the 15th of the February 2021. Let's take a look at the Forex calendar and then of course we'll do some technical analysis. So on Monday, as you can see, some data had been published during the night, but there isn't any important news that we should keep an eye on during the London or New York session. As you can see, the one of the important event, if you're looking for some industrial production data from Japan, that was better than expected. Maybe at 11 o'clock, the current account and the industrial production data from Eurozone will get some movement on the financial market. At noon there is a Bundesbank monthly report from Germany, and then during the New York session there are only data from Canada in form of the housing starts and manufacturing shipments. So Monday 15th of February 2021 is not really that busy day according to the economic calendar. So because it's kind of as you can see, empty, then please let's take a look at the technical charts, of course, and we are going to start with the US dollar. As you can see, the US dollar is going lower, is going right now slightly above our trend line, so we can adjust it. There you go. This is the new trend line. It's going towards the level of 89.98, which is the low of the wave B. That's the low of the wave B. It will most likely be violated and the market will head even lower towards 89.19, and again this will be the level of great importance, because if this level is violated, then of course the US dollar is in a big trouble. Why? Because this bounce was only in 3 waves here. There was a bearish engulfing pattern here, and right now the market will continue the downtrend, and the downtrend is, as you can see, quite long and quite big. So the next target, if 89.91 is violated, I think it's on 88.24, which is the key long-term technical support. So please bear this in mind. And of course, as you can see here, the current situation is of course not very good for the US dollar bulls. What does it mean for the overall market? So it means that if the US dollar is going down, if the US dollar is going is being sold across the board, then some other markets must go up. So what are the other markets that are going up? I guess that the first are the equity markets, and as you can see, the SP500 had made new all-time high on Friday, and the level of 3,936 on the SPX index has been made. Today's open is just slightly above this level, but as you can see here on the momentum indicator, we are trading close to the extremely overbought market conditions. So as long as we of course trade around this 3,900 mark, then the uptrend is intact. But if we get below 3,894, which is this technical support that has been tested a couple of times, then maybe we will make some kind of a correction or a pullback towards 3,869, which is the technical support, the first important technical support. And then of course there is nothing until the lower channel boundary and the level of 3,715. So for now, on the daily time frame chart, we are still trending. Trending up, and there is nothing in this chart that would suggest that the uptrend is terminated, except the fact that we are trading in overbought market conditions. So what about Dow Jones? It's very similar situation on the Dow Jones. although there is no new high made yesterday on or Friday, sorry, on Friday or on Thursday. The recent high was made at 31,540, and as you can see, the market respects the 31,235 technical support. So this is very important to keep an eye on this level, because if violated, then of course we will likely go lower. The next technical support would be somewhere around the level of 30,926. Nevertheless, the market is trading inside of the main channel. The market is trending up, and so far there is no indication of any sort of market termination or trend reversal. On a daily time frame, we got this dodgy candlestick pattern, which might suggest that, of course, this uptrend here, maybe this smaller uptrend, the internal uptrend here, might be completed. This wave up and terminated. So there is a time for the pullback. But as long as we trade above 31,255, there's not much we can do about it. The key zone, as you can see, is still 29,959, 29,197. Only if this key zone is clearly violated, then the long-term trend is terminated. Of course, we are very, very close to the extremely overbought market conditions. The momentum is positive and it's strong, so there is no indication of any sort of a trend termination again. So if the US dollar is going down, and if all of the markets, equity markets, are going up, what else is supposed to be happening on the precious metal markets? On the gold, for example, we should see some sort of a rally, right? Because people are buying gold and selling US dollar, but nothing like this is happening. The other thing is, if, however, the equity markets are going up, then the gold is supposed to go down. So this is why the situation on the gold is a little bit confused. Because on one hand, the US dollar is going down, and then equity markets are going up. So there isn't much movement on the spot gold market. We recently made a low on the level of 1,784 at the 4th of the February 2021. Then we bounced slightly above this trend line here. We bounced it, and then of course we made some kind of a very interesting candle around the level of 1,848, and since then we are going down again, because there is a kind of a red candle that closed below this short-term trend line again, and then we have a test of the local technical support 1,811, and then again we are starting with the red candle. So the gold is apparently in a range between 1,874 and 1,785. So all that's $90 range, around the testing the trend line, testing the technical resistance and supports, and the RSI is, as you can see, is rather negative, and it's weak because it's only on 43 points. So the general sentiment on the gold is rather negative. It's more negative than positive. So every move up will definitely find some kind of a sellers that will be selling into the strength of the gold. But as long as we trade between 1,875 1,784, then we cannot really say what is the short-term trend on a gold, because this market is closed in this range, mainly due to the situation on the US equities, and of course a situation on the US dollar index. So that's everything for me for today. Quick update on the US dollar situation in a general market view, for you guys to have some kind of a good basic analysis of the next move during this week of the on the trending on the Forex market. So thank you very much for watching this, and I hope I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.